Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bruna. So today I did this makeup look. Very dramatic. It's like a cut crease. I was really feeling blue and I was like, it's a new year. I need something fresh and fresh. All I could think about was blue because, you know, every scent that is sold in the market that has fresh in it has the color blue to it. So I was like, okay, so I want something fresh, so I should use something blue. So I came up with this look and I love it so much. I hope you guys also love it as well. I used this palette by JUVIA'S. Isn't it stunning? So pretty. I love this palette by JUVIA'S. They are so pigmented and so easy to work with, and I feel like my eyeshadow looks like really pro eyeshadow. You know your girl is not the super most pro person when it comes to makeup, but you know, I did my best and this is my best. And I hope you guys like it. I really tried hard for this one. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. This JUVIA'S palette, and I'm going to go ahead and put in this color Kogi, and I'm going to put that into my eyelids. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just packing this color onto my lid. And I'm just going to blend out the corners of this area. All blending brush that I'm using, because I'm trying to keep the color from going everywhere. Go like two in, like so if you start rubbing over here, you'll see that it gets patchy. You see how that gets patchy? So you don't want to like rub inwards because that's where all the color's at. And you just kind of want to press right there if you want to blend anything out in there. So I'm taking this blue colored called Knee, and I'm just going to dab that color onto my outer corner of my crease. And I dab the color on just to get the highest pigmentation I can get. And once I get the right pigmentation, I just go in with the blending brush and I lightly blend out the lines. And I also will take the blue into my inner corners just to have a nice wash of blue on my lids. And then once I'm done with getting the blue nicely blended on my lids, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just using a concealer, nothing special. Any concealer you have will do. And I'm using a flat concealer brush, and I'm just gently creating a line on my lid. And once I create this line on my lid, I'm definitely going to set it. And once I set it, I'm going to add on the colors that I want. And of course, I'm going to go in and dab on the blue color again, the Knee, because you know there does happen to be a harsh line after you cut your crease. So I'm just trying to blend everything out and make it look seamless. And then I'm going to take this green emerald color Yara, and I'm going to use a detailing brush, and I'm just going to use that on the outer corners of my crease just to blend the matte and the shimmer together. I really like to make everything just nicely, seamlessly blend in together. And this is a detailing brush, does an amazing job of just getting everything to blend together. And then I'm just going to take a third color in. This is called Fiasco. And I'm going to put Fiasco onto my inner corners of my lids. So it kind of looks like light, darker, and then dark matte. I love that look. Now I'm moving on to, foundation. I'm using my Estee Lauder Delaware foundation. I will have a review up of this foundation since it's so popular and everyone has been requesting a review on it. So I will have this review up pretty soon for you guys. I'll do like a full day wear one. So now I'm going to go ahead and do concealer. And this is just my Kevyn Aucoin concealer that I'm using. I haven't been like super dedicated to any type of concealer lately, so I've just been testing out a lot of concealers. So I will be having a video up soon on some of the concealers that I've been testing out for you guys. Now I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring. You guys know cream contouring is like my favorite step of makeup. It just really warms up your skin and really gives you a very three-dimensional look. So as you can see, I did it on my nose, on my cheekbones, and on my forehead, and that's the mapping of my face. Then I just go ahead and take a blender, like a buffing brush, and I just blend out the contour first. And once I'm done blending out the contour, I start blending out all of the highlights just to make sure that the contour doesn't get muddy. Like if you blend out the highlights, the concealer, the white concealer first, then it's going to make your contour look really ashy. So I always like to blend the darker parts of my contour into the lighter parts because it just keeps everything nice and warm. And now in this clip, you guys see that I am just going into my under eyes. I'm just taking that matte blue color that I think it's the color Knee, and I'm just popping that underneath my eyes, and that's the only color I'm going to put underneath my eyes. I'm going to pack it on, and then I'm going to blend it out, because once you blend that color out, it gives you a really light finish on the bottom, so it's like a nice airbrush blended effect. So I didn't feel like I needed any other colors underneath my eyes because I didn't want to take away from the top of my eyes. And now I'm going to go ahead and do some highlighter. This is also one of my favorite steps in makeup. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice highlighter palette. And this is my favorite highlighter palette out of all the Huda Beauty highlighter palettes that she came out with. I think this is the best one that she's created so far. The other ones I'm not a huge fan of, but this one is like my favorite. And now I'm going to finish off this look with a nude lip. I know I usually will go bold on bold, but I was like, okay, you know, new year, new me type of thing. So I'm going to wear nude lips with a bold eye. And I actually like how it looks. I'm not a huge nude lip wearer, but I have really been into nude lips lately. It's like a new thing for me, and I hope you guys like it. So yeah, this is the finished look, and yeah. I'm going to show you the finished look in a bit after I put out this lipstick. I think this lipstick color is... Hey guys, so that's the finished look. Thank you so much for staying all the way till the end. You guys are the real MVPs. Y'all are my real friends. Thank you so much. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Also, go ahead and follow me on Facebook. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for being patient with me this week, because I haven't been uploading consistently this week because I got sick. And you guys, y'all know the drama. If you've been keeping up with me, you know the drama. So anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye!